Hey folks, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some trout fishing here in southeastern PA. Now normally, if you're in the Pennsylvania area, you know this, but normally there are two openers here. But due to the effects of the COVID-19, what do you call it? Social distancing. In line with that, they did a surprise. Try my sunglasses. Oh, that's better. That glare is killing me. But yeah, due to the effects of the COVID-19 outbreak and the social distance requirement, they did a surprise opener statewide April 7th here. The stocking's been a little lackluster, honestly, here. It seems what they've done is they've just pulled up to a bridge, and that's where they put all the trout. I got a hold of a couple today here that we're going to probably throw in the skillet with some butter and cook outside. Nothing major, but I'm not the biggest fan of them to eat. I know a lot of people love them, so two is actually probably plenty. My youngest son, he'll eat them. We like them on the smoker. That's what we're going to do today. Come on along, we'll show you how we caught a couple, just rigging up what we were using. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. Let's go fishing. Fish on. Another one. I was on that trout magnet this time. I'm sure somebody heard that splash. I'll be crowded soon. Break his little neck. What we're doing today is we're doing some trout fishing here on the canal. I was going to go over to the Socken Creek today and go after a fish I've been after over there that's still there, but we got quite a bit of rain last night and the storm, so that was a no-go today. There are two golden trout, a lot of people call them palomino. They're swimming, one over there, one right here in front of me, and they're just stubborn. They ain't gonna bite on anything. These might just be decorative by the end of the season. I was using a rooster tail spinner, and I got one strike, and then that was it. And I've got some live bait on me today too, in case things get really dire. I think that's a bluegill. Yeah, live bait rig. You're gonna get a lot of these. Well, I say that, it's the first one I've got. Goodbye. Another bluegill. I got him out unarmed. Nice one. Guess he's going in the pot. Well, I think that's all I want today. That's all I'm going to do. Getting a little too crowded. I caught a couple of fish in that area, and then that drew in everybody else's fishing today. I am on a leave. Y'all don't need to know that. But that's going to wrap it up for today. I caught a couple of fish in that area. We're going to take them. That's going to wrap up the fishing. Probably going to go home, clean them up, clean ourselves up, wash our hands. I hope everybody's staying healthy and safe. I hope you're figuring out a way to get out and do stuff. And if you're not, I hope you're, filling the time watching some of my YouTube videos. I really appreciate that. I'm not the biggest drinker. When I cook outside, I like this. Seemed appropriate. Also, it's low carb, showing that keto. I'll let these cook up a little bit on our little camp stove here. Maybe get a decent lunch out of it. Trout sandwich meat, maybe. Other fish I like better, but not bad. Hey, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Really appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for coming by. Glad I could finally get some content made today. Get out, do a little fishing. If you haven't already, we really appreciate it. Hey, you know what? You know how YouTube works. You do what you want to do. Okay? We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Guidelines, everybody.